What is up, guys? Today we have an amazing video for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Figaro iced out Cuban link. Are you guys ready to see how amazing this chain looks? Let's get into it. Alright guys, first things first, we have the white gold right here in 18 inches. And we have the yellow gold right here in 20 inches. As you guys can see, man, these things have amazing box locks on them. Amazing quality, amazing color, and amazing shine. That's the biggest thing of these chains. The shine is just impeccable. It's amazing. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some close-ups. Then I'm gonna throw it on my neck, show you guys how it looks in the neck. I might give you guys a little shine test too, because I know you guys like the shine test. And of course, I'm gonna show you how the box lock works. This one is a little bit different, so I'm gonna go ahead over the box lock and show you guys how that works. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some close-ups, show you guys how beautiful this chain looks. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're gonna go over the yellow gold one first. I'm gonna show you guys how that box lock works. Go ahead and open it up. You see that inside right there. So you see the way this one works is a little bit different. That end of the chain right there clicks into the other side just like that. Let me go ahead and show you guys the other part of the chain right there. So this just nicely slides in there. And once you put that top on and let it click, that's it, man. This chain isn't coming off nobody's neck. This is a beautiful, high quality box lock right here. And the shine on it is very, very beautiful and very, very intense. Let me show you guys all around. The beautiful gold color on the inside, a beautiful yellow gold color. All right, let's get into the white gold. It's the same exact box lock. A beautiful white gold plating on the inside. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put both these chains on, show you guys how they look on the neck. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start off with the white gold first. Let me go ahead and throw it on the neck, show you guys how that looks. Boom, nice and locked in. A beautiful chain, a beautiful Figaro iced out link. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look in a little bit, but I just wanna show you guys from a far view how it looks. And if you like this look, man, all you gotta do, press that link in the description, and you guys can go ahead and shop at Astroice Jewelry, the best premium quality hip hop chains in the game, man. Okay, here's the yellow gold. And I do find these locks a little bit easier to put on because you just gotta slip them in, and once they're in, put the top on and it's locked in. There it is at 20 inches. A beautiful box lock on this chain, as you guys can see right there. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer and show you guys up nice and close. All right, here it is up nice and close. You guys can see that beautiful detail. Look at the side of the neck like that, shining like that, only with Astroice Jewelry. There you guys can see it right there. Beautiful lock. As I said before, these chains are very simple to put in. Once you have it slipped in, put the top on and it's on. Here it is, white gold at 18 inches. A beautiful look. If you guys like that 20-inch look more, then go with the longer one. If you like the 18-inch, go with a shorter one. Remember that 18-inch and 20-inch will look different depending on your body type. Shining, 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 man. These stones are very beautiful stones. Very big stones too, so when the light hits it, it's gonna reflect a lot of light and make all those beautiful shining colors. Look at that right there. All right, here we go for the flashlight test. Boom, boom, boom. Look how crazy that looks, man. Look how crazy those stones shine like that. Ooh. That is some heavy shine on the neck. And you guys tell me, go ahead and comment down below. Tell me which chain you think shines more, the yellow gold or the white gold. But look how amazing that looks, guys. Beautiful chains right here. Beautiful Figaro iced out links right here. If you guys are interested in this, man, you guys already know where to go. Down in the description, astroicejewelry.com, and go ahead and cop you some ice, man. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude the video for today. If you guys are interested in the chains you guys saw in this video, man, go ahead. The direct link will be down in the description. Go ahead and press it. Beautiful chains at the best price you can get them at, man. The best hip hop jewelry right here, Astroice Jewelry. You guys already know what it is, man. Go ahead and watch all our other videos too. We have beautiful chains on our website. All of the reviews are on our YouTube channel. Go ahead, press that like button, that notification button. Go ahead, press that link in the description to our Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. We appreciate everybody's love and support, man. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.